You craving unlimited Korean barbecue, premium meats, fresh seafood, authentic Korean dishes, and delicious desserts, all in one place? Today we're heading to some Unni Unlimited Korean Grill and Buffet located on the second floor of CKB Centre, Tomas Morato, corner Scout Rallos, Quezon City. Where the grill is hot, the buffet is loaded, and the food keeps coming. From juicy Korean barbecue meats and pressed oysters to crispy fried chicken, DIY ramyeon, Korean favorites, and refreshing desserts, there's something here for every craving. So let's fire up the grill and discover what some Unni has to offer. Let's start with the stars of the grill. First up is Jeyuk Bokkeum, a spicy marinated Korean pork dish full of flavor. If you love patty pork and a little or a lot of heat, this one is definitely worth trying. Next is soy Dak-Galbi. This is sweet and savory Korean-style tender chicken thighs marinated in rich soy sauce, garlic, and brown sugar. As it hits the hot grill, the marinade caramelizes beautifully, creating juicy chicken with a delicious, savory sweet finish. Here's another Korean barbecue favorite, Moksal Galbi. It's a tender, juicy cut with beautiful marbling that absorbs the marinades exceptionally well. The sweet and savory soy-based marinade has a rich Korean barbecue flavor that becomes even better when grilled. Then we have the plain moksal, a popular South Korean pork that has rich marbling without being overly fatty, making it tender, juicy, and perfect for grilling. For beef lovers, there's beef samgyup. These thinly sliced beef belly pieces have rich marbling and cook in just seconds on a hot grill. The result is juicy, flavorful beef with a delicious grilled finish. Now check out this beauty, Honeycomb Samgyup. This is thick-cut pork belly scored with a crisscross diamond pattern. The seasoning penetrates the meat easily while allowing it to grill evenly. The pork becomes beautifully caramelized on the outside while staying juicy inside. And of course, we can't forget thinly sliced samgyup. These thin pork belly slices cook in seconds, becoming crispy and delicious as the pot renders. For the classic Korean barbecue experience, wrap the grilled pork and beef in pressed lettuce, add some savory ssamjang, and enjoy. Every dish is freshly prepared, and watching the marinated and classic meat sizzles right on the grill is part of the fun. The smoky aroma fills the air as the meat cooks, and every bite is juicy, tender, and packed with Korean barbecue flavor. This is definitely the kind of meal where you keep saying, just one more piece. No Korean meal is complete without banchan, the traditional Korean side dishes that perfectly complement grilled meats. At some Unni, you can enjoy favorites such as stir-fried japchae, marbled potatoes, and stir-fried mixed vegetables. They add variety, texture, and even more flavor to your Korean barbecue feast. But the buffet doesn't stop at the barbecue. Seafood lovers can also enjoy pressed shrimp for grilling. These high-quality shrimp have firm flesh with a naturally sweet, juicy texture. Grill them until perfectly cooked, then enjoy them hot and fresh. And one of the crowd favorites, the pressed oysters. These oysters are plump, clean, and impressively large with a succulent and firm bite. They are incredibly satisfying when paired with a slightly spicy vinegar samgyup dipping sauce. And you can always adjust the heat to your own taste. Beyond the grill, there are plenty of buffet favorites to enjoy. First is the Korean fried chicken. The double frying technique creates a paper-thin, shatteringly crispy crust that stays crunchy while the chicken remains tender and juicy inside. There's also crispy tempura and flavorful beef and pork kimbap, perfect for adding even more variety to your plate. For something warm and comforting, you can enjoy kimchi jjigae, a hot and spicy Korean stew, along with comforting beef seaweed soup. These hearty soups are perfect with grilled meats, kimbap, and rice. There's also Hamburg steak, a beloved comfort food made with beef patties and sautéed onions, served with a rich and savory sauce. It's hearty, satisfying, and definitely a great choice if you're looking for something beyond Korean barbecue. Another traditional Korean favorite is Bokkeum or braised spicy chicken. This flavorful dish combines tender chicken, vegetables, and spices in a rich, spicy sauce. Enjoy it with a bowl of egg fried rice or simple steamed rice for a satisfying Korean meal. And to keep everything refreshing, you can pair your meal with unlimited iced tea. A cold glass of iced tea is the perfect companion to all that hot and savory Korean food. One of the highlights here is the DIY Ramyeon station. Choose your favorite Korean noodles, prepare them your way, and customize your bowl with the ingredients you love. It's not only delicious, it's also a fun experience for everyone. After all that savory food, make sure to save room for dessert. Some Unni offers refreshing cold desserts, including hwachae. This traditional Korean fruit punch combines watermelon and mixed pressed fruits with a sweet and refreshing base of strawberry milk and Sprite. It's colorful, pretty, creamy, and incredibly refreshing. And for something creamy and sweet, there's ube and chocolate soft-serve ice cream, the perfect way to finish a Korean buffet feast. And here's the exciting part. Some Unni is currently in its soft opening promotional period. The unlimited Korean grill and buffet is only 749 pesos per person, reduced from the regular price of 999 pesos. Senior citizens and PWDs can also enjoy discounted rates. Considering the wide variety of premium meats, seafood, Korean dishes, desserts, and drinks, this is certainly worth checking out. Some Unni is open Sunday to Thursday from 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. and on Friday and Saturday, they are open 24 hours. For inquiries and reservations, you can call 0924-401-9713. So if you're searching for an unlimited Korean grill and buffet with premium meats, fresh seafood, authentic Korean dishes, delicious desserts, and excellent value, Some Unni Unlimited Korean Grill and Buffet definitely deserves a spot on your food trip list. There's plenty to grill, plenty to taste, and plenty to share. Gather your family and friends, fire up the grill, and enjoy an unforgettable Korean barbecue feast. If you enjoyed this food adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more restaurant reviews, food trips, buffet adventures, DIY projects, and delicious discoveries. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in our next food adventure. Kamsahamnida and happy eating!